Help support the companies that support our community. After the resin setup, I went ahead and dyed the top part of the apple, and for that I used Chromacraft. It's a melon color and it gave it that nice Granny Smith color. So as far as the apple, I did recessed it down in there just a little bit. So if you've ever done a carameled apple, you know how the caramel's a little bit thicker on the outside, so I wanted to create that. And as far as letting the resin just pour down over it to create a nice little stand, if you just put a piece of plastic down and let the resin dry on it, it peels right off. We did it a couple of months ago when we did the Cadbury eggs, and it was really neat. We created a couple of different little patterns of just letting the resin dry in the plastic. It's really cool, and it creates its own stand. But it was a fun project. Yeah, just that little recess down in there makes it look like the apple's sunken down into it. But it was a fun one. I did have, before I go, hope you enjoyed the video, and I did have one thing. David, the Kiwi creator, he asked me on this video, the bowl with the resin inlay on it. He was concerned. He lives in New Zealand, and he was telling me he's tried this a couple of times, and the wood warps and the little ring pops off of there. So, David, it's holding strong. It's been a couple of months now. There's no little lip. Nothing's coming apart on it. I will give you another update in a couple more months. Winter's coming, so it might swell up a little bit, but so far so good. It's holding strong. All right. I think that was it. We'll be back next week with another project. And as always, I have the links to everything down in the description, all the tools I use in the video and different things. So go check that out. Check out the description. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the subscribe and like button, and don't forget to ring that bell. Till next time, see ya.